Hi guys! Today I want to share with you one of the best methods of growing Euonymus and bring some color to your garden. Growing golden Euonymus shrubs bring color and texture to your garden. This evergreen offers forest green foliage that is broadly trimmed in bright golden yellow, making the shrub ideal for the bright hedges or as a plants. You'll find another enticing reason to start growing golden Euonymus shrubs if you learn just how easy golden Euonymus can be. The shrubs are rarely striking in the garden. The Euonymus leaves are leathery to the touch and grow up to 7 centimeters long. The boldy variegated foliage is the star here. Most leaves are emerald green splashed liberally with buttercup yellow, but occasionally you'll get branches where all of the leaves are solid yellow. Golden Euonymus shrubs can grow up to 3 meters high and 2 meters wide. One alone can make a stunning statement in your garden. However, the dense foliage of these evergreen plants adapts readily to pruning and even shearing, so they are often used as hedges. If you are wondering how to grow golden Euonymus shrubs, it isn't very difficult actually. You'll need to plant them in a sunny spot, provide weekly irrigation and fertilize them annually. When you start growing golden Euonymus shrubs, you'll do best to select a site with moist, fertile, well-drained soil. However, don't worry too much about your soil type as long as it drains well. The bushes are tolerant and will accept almost any kind of soil. Euonymus shrubs are not high maintenance. However, caring for golden Euonymus shrubs requires more effort the year they are planted. They will require regular water up to twice a week until the root system has established. After that, a weekly watering is usually sufficient. Provide a balanced fertilizer in early spring. Use a slightly lower dose that recommended on the label to avoid burning the roots. Golden Euonymus care includes an annual pruning if planted in a hedge or you want your garden to look neat and tidy. Left to their own devices, they may outgrow the space you have set aside for them. Euonymus plants are often used for hedging due to their low maintenance and ability to cope in most environments. There are also certain species that grow to be very tall, making them great for privacy and creating shade. Emerald gold Euonymus is an obvious choice as a hedging plant. Not only does it look great with its green and golden leaves, but it also grows at a decent rate without needing too much pruning. So I just showed you the best and easiest method of propagating golden Euonymus in the water. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. See you very soon. Bye!